this is daytime and it's like so much of traffic congestion. कहीं भी चले जाओ, seriously, like इतना ट्रैफिक है. हम लोग सोचते हैं कि बारिश आएगी तभी ट्रैफिक होगा, नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. लोग लाइक इट्स अ नॉनसेंस ट्रैफिक. जहाँ पे किसी ने जाना है वो वहाँ नहीं जा रहा है, वो कहीं और जा रहा है बिकॉज उसको बहुत जल्दी है. तो इट्स लाइक एवरीबडी इज ब्रेकिंग द रूल्स. लेकिन अगर कुछ और किसी और की गलती लगती है तो उसके ऊपर चढ़ जाओ. तो दिस इज लाइक वी दिल्ली हाइट्स. सो दिस इज आवर क्वालिटी, वन ऑफ द क्वालिटी. एंड बहुत बुरी हालत है. अब देखते हैं कब तक पहुँचना है. वी आर गोइंग टू मॉल, सो वी सी वी हैव रीच्ड मॉल. तो पहले पेट पूजा, उसके बाद काम कोई दूजा. शॉपिंग बाद में करेंगे. सो अभी हम लोग ब्लैक टॉक आए हैं. कहाँ गया? So I'm going to Black Top. Actually, I have to do Rakhi shopping, Raksha Bandhan. लेकिन we are feeling super hungry. So we thought we should have food first, something to eat. So then I'll go for shopping. Though we have done little shopping from Decathlon. I'm in Select City Walk right now. This is our favorite mall. It's nearby and it has everything almost. So bye for now.
चीजें भी तो छोटी छोटी आगे अंदर क्या जाएगी.
I'm in H&M, which I cannot ever miss. This is all women's favorite. So we are coming out from Calvin Klein and shopping हमें करनी थी. Actually, I really want to do shopping, but shopping किसी और ने की है आज. दिखा दे ये. So we went to Tommy, we went to Calvin Klein and there is little Raksha Bandhan shopping, but इनकी shopping ज़्यादा हुई है. And now again he is in the men's section in Zara and I have to now shop for myself because it is needed. Finally we are back home and I could not shoot because I was busy shopping and then my son, he got a little sick. So we could not shoot because I seriously wanted to show you all. Zara had amazing collection. It is I think last minute sale kind of thing nowadays because काफ़ी सारा stuff over हो गया, but it had amazing. I got 4-5 items from there and amazing. Seriously, pricing was so good. So कई बार होता है सेल में सिर्फ ये होता है कि you have to find, आपको ढूंढना पड़ता है. You have to dig in and then you have to find the things of your use, but it's worth most of the time. I got one amazing waistcoat which is so cool, but I forgot to get that trouser which was matching with that, so I'll have to go again. So anyways, so this was the day is over and I'll definitely upload some of my videos, pictures with my these Zara things. Bye for now. Bye.